Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use an electric knife sharpener. This will be a video tutorial and I'll be going over the steps for properly using an electric knife sharpener to sharpen your knives. Now I'll be demonstrating this with this knife sharpener, the Chef's Choice Hybrid 220, but the majority of electric knife sharpeners will work in the same way, which is differently than most manual knife sharpeners. So this tutorial is specifically for electric powered ones. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, there's an on and off switch. What you want to do is, plug it in and turn it on before you put any knives through it, just to hear what it sounds like and sort of see what it's going to look like and feel how much it vibrates and so forth, and then turn it off. And that's because you don't want to be shocked when you first put a knife through there at what it sounds like, or if it's loud, if it moves, if it vibrates, whatever the case is. You just want to get a feel for it, okay? Now the next thing that you want to do is look for numbers on the electric knife sharpener. And the numbers will usually represent the levels of what you have to do to sharpen those knives. Check the owner's manual if it's a different electric knife sharpener to make sure of this, but generally speaking, you're going to go from like 1 to 2 and then possibly even 3 if there is a 3. Now be careful, because with some electric knife sharpeners, they will work with serrated knives, and they'll have a separate section for serrated knives. This one only works for knives that are not serrated, so that's why it only has 1 and 2. If it has a 3, it could be for a third level, or it could be for serrated knives, or it could even be for scissors specifically. So check the owner's manual, but generally speaking, you have to go up the levels, okay? Now for this one right here, you can see there are 2 slots with number 1. So that means I'm going to go through both slots on number 1, then I'm going to progress to number 2. The number 1 slots are basically to just get the knife nice and sharp, especially if it's a really dull knife. And then the number 2 slot is to just fine tune it, really sharpen up both of those sides to make a nice fine point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use it. You want to take the knife, let's turn the machine on. You want to take the knife and you want to actually bring it towards you. And I'm just going to turn the machine towards me because you want it to be directly, towards you. You're going to take the knife. You want to start as far out as you possibly can and press it down nice and gently. Don't push it down hard, but press it down gently. Bring the knife towards you slowly, and you'll hear the electric wheel inside of there sharpening the knife. So I'm going to press it down and bring it towards me. You'll hear it working, okay? All right, I'm going to do the same thing with the other slot next. Now that I've done that, I actually want to take the knife and put it through number 2, which in this case doesn't have any electric motor attached to it. It's just going to fine tune the sharpening of the knife. Sort of sounds like a little grinding sound. And as you can see, the end result is a really sharp knife. Very simple, very easy to use. All right, we'll go ahead. We're going to try a different type of knife. Let's go ahead and try this one right here, which is much bigger. This is a much bigger knife. We'll go ahead and do it with this one right here. Let's go ahead. All right, next side for number 1. And then number 2, nice and slowly fine tune it. Now, as you can see right here, I actually have one hand holding the machine, or 2 fingers, a couple fingers holding the machine, the other hand working the knife, and that's because you really want to make sure that it is actually, nice and secure. You don't want the machine to topple over or anything like that. We'll go ahead and do one more type of knife right here. This is a different type of knife. We're going to do this one right here. So I actually put it on the thickest part, which I should have started at the actual knife portion, the cutting portion. Okay, other side. Okay, and then number 2. We'll try that again. This is a weird shaped knife. You see it has that little movement down there, but we'll try that one more time. Just like that. That's basically it. When you're done, shut the machine off, clean everything up, and definitely make sure that you wash the knives before you use them again. I always tend to wipe them with a sort of like a paper towel. I'll wipe them down, then I wash them before I use them again. But that's basically it. You can sharpen your knives really easily, and in this video I've just shown you a simple tutorial on how to use an electric knife sharpener to sharpen your knives. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.